Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my princess, how are you today? I hope you always stay healthy. Amin. Are you ready to learn math today? Must be ready, okay? Now we have entered the third meeting. The first, we will study about rounding of number to nearest 10. Pembulatan angka ke puluhan terdekat. Look at the picture. Ribbon A is 82 cm long. Pita A panjangnya 82 cm. "22" is between 80 and 90. 82 di antara 80 dan 90. It is nearest to 80 than 90. 82 itu lebih dekat ke 80 daripada ke 90. 22 is 20 when round off to the nearest 10. 82 sama dengan 80 ketika dibulatkan ke puluhan terdekat. We say 82 is approximately equal to 80. Kita katakan 82 itu adalah kira-kira sama dengan 80. Write 82 approximately equal to 80. Kita menuliskan lambangnya seperti ini ya. Ini namanya tanda approximately equal atau artinya kira-kira sama dengan. Jadi kita menulis 82 itu sama dengan kira-kira 80. So, ribbon A is 80 cm long when round off to nearest 10 cm. Sehingga pita A panjangnya 80 cm long, kira-kira 80 cm ketika dibulatkan ke puluhan cm terdekat. Okay, look at the picture again. Ribbon B is 70 cm long. Pita B panjangnya 17 cm. 17 is between 10 and 20. It is nearer to 20 than to 10. Jadi 17 itu di antara 10 dan 20. Tapi 17 ini lebih dekat dari 20 daripada 10. 17 is 20. 17 is 20 when round off to nearest 10. 17 itu sama dengan 20 ketika dibulatkan ke puluhan terdekat. 17 is approximately equal to 20. 17 approximately equal 17 is approximately equal to 20. 17 kira-kira sama dengan 20. Ribbon B is 20 cm long when round off to the nearest 10 cm. Panjang pita B sama dengan 20 cm ketika dibulatkan ke puluhan terdekat. Look at the third picture. Ribbon C is 95 cm long. Panjang pita C adalah 95 cm. "95" exactly halfway between 90 and 100. 95 itu sama dengan tepat di tengah antara 90 dan 100. 95 is 100 when round off to nearest 10. 95 sama dengan 100 ketika dibulatkan ke puluhan terdekat. 95 approximately equal to 100. 95 kira-kira sama dengan 100. Ribbon C is 100 cm long when round off to nearest 10 cm. Pita C panjangnya 100 cm ketika dibulatkan ke puluhan terdekat. Okay, next we will learn about rounding off numbers to nearest 100. Pembulatan angka ke ratusan terdekat. Look at the picture. Container A is 223 milliliters. The volume of water in container A is 223 milliliter. Volume air di dalam wadah A sebanyak 223 ml. 223 is between 200 and 300. 223 itu terletak di antara 200 dan 300. It is nearer 200 than 300. Itu artinya 223 itu lebih dekat ke 200 daripada ke 300. So, 223 is 200 when round off to nearest 100. Sehingga 223 itu dibulatkan menjadi 200 ketika dibulatkan ke ratusan terdekat. 223 approximately to 200. 223 Look at the picture again. Container B is 287 milliliters. The volume of water in container B is 287 milliliter. 287 is between 200 and 300. It is nearer 300 than 200. 287 itu terletak di antara 200 dan 300. Tapi 287 itu lebih dekat dengan 300 daripada ke 200. So, 287 is 300 when round up to nearest 100. Sehingga 287 sama dengan 300 ketika dibulatkan ke ratusan terdekat. 287 is approximately equal to 300. 287 itu kira-kira sama dengan 300 atau dibulatkan menjadi 300. The next picture. Container C is 650 milliliters. The volume of water in container C is 650 milliliters. 650 milliliters is exactly halfway between 600 and 700. Okay, 650 itu di tengah-tengah antara 600 dan 700. So, 650 is 700 when round off to the nearest 100. Sehingga 650 itu dibulatkan atau kira-kira sama dengan 700. Alright, now we will try to doing math exercise together. Okay. 34 is falls between 30 and 40. So 34 approximately equal to 30. 34 jatuh di antara angka 30 dan 40, sehingga 34 dibulatkan menjadi 30. 58 is fall down. 58 is falls between 50 and 40. So 58 approximately equal to 60. 75 if is falls between 70 and 80. So 75 is approximately equal to 80. 412 is falls between 400 and 500. So 412 approximately equal to 400. 869 is falls between 800 and 900. So 869 approximately equal to 900. 650 is falls between 600 and 700. So 650 approximately to 700. Now please do your math tasks in your math notebook. Don't forget to take a picture and then send it to my WA. Okay? Okay, thanks all for learning math today. See you at the next meeting. Thank you all. Happy learning and good luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.